What's going on, everybody? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. And what if I told you that there's a way you can make $2,000 or more every single month by offering a service? You do not need any followers over on Instagram. Now, you're probably interested, right? Well, if you are, first off, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you know other people that would be interested in this exact same topic, make sure you share this video over on Facebook so your friends and family can see it too. Now, here's what I want you to understand. Most people that make money on Instagram are making money by offering a service. They are not actually making money by selling physical products on Instagram itself. And they're not trying to monetize their whole Instagram channel by selling something through Instagram itself. Okay? You're probably a little skeptical, wondering, what am I talking about? So let me just show you right here, all right? So first things first, you do need an Instagram account. And no, you do not need any followers. Even if you have 0 followers, 1 follower, 2, or 1 million, you can do this. It doesn't matter. So here is how it works. The first thing that we would do is we come over here to Instagram and we're going to try to find specific people we can sell a service to. But what kind of service? Now here on my YouTube channel, if you've been following me along for probably 6 months to a year, you've probably seen a video that I released a while back talking about how to make money on Instagram with absolutely no followers, but I'm telling you to go and create content for other marketers, for other people. And this is very similar. However, for this example, I'm talking about creating logos, creating designs for other people, and specifically local businesses. Now, how do we go about finding those local businesses, and how much are we even going to charge? Well, here's how you go and find a local business. Let's say I want to go, being I'm from the Seattle, Washington area, I'm going to type in Seattle carpet cleaning. Seattle carpet cleaning. Let's see. Seattle carpet cleaning. Let's go to this one. Right here, so let's just click on the top one. This one, Anderson Carpet Cleaning Inc. Okay, let's click on that one. So this person has 1,400 followers. Okay, not bad. They have a website. Let's open that up. So the nice thing is they have some pictures. They have stories up here. Okay, it's looking like it's a decent account. Okay, this one was done 3 hours ago. Great. This one was done 19 hours ago. This one was done a day ago. You see they have a bunch of posts, almost 1,200 posts. So what this is telling me is they're putting the effort in to getting people over to their business from their Instagram account. Now, if we go and look on their page, it's an A with a leaf. It says Anderson Carpet, Wood, and Tile Cleaning. Okay? Don't you think we could make a better logo than this? This doesn't look to me like it's that professional. But what if we sent them a direct message, okay? Now, you can't do it on my computer, but you do it on your phone. You open up your phone, you direct message them. Now, here is what I want you to do. The best part about a phone is, number one, if you have an iPhone, you have a notepad, okay? And you can have the same thing in Android as well. But you take your copy, you take what you plan on saying, your sales pitch to these people, these businesses, and you write it all down. You spend an hour making it perfect, and then you paste it into your notepad. From there, you will go and copy it and paste it into every single DM or direct message that you send. So really all you're doing is going to find these different accounts, like Anderson Carpet Cleaning. Once you do that, it's all about the amount of DMs that you send out. Now, let me break down the numbers for you. All right, so how to make $2,000 per month. First thing, I'd recommend you DM 25 people per day. That means it's going to be about 750 people per month that you're direct messaging. Now, as far as the amount of people that are going to respond, about 50% is going to be the response rate. That's roughly 375 people per month that will respond. Now, when I say they will respond, I'm not talking about within the next minute or next hour or even the next day. It could be a few days before or maybe a week before some of these people send you a message back. So just keep that in mind. From those 50 the 50% of people that actually responded back. 15% average are going to pay you for your service, as long as your service, number one, is something that they want, and number two, it's affordable. And that's exactly what I'm showing you here. So a 15% rate is about male people that will pay you. So out of the 375 people, average 56 people are going to become your customer that month. Now, at $40 per logo, which is very inexpensive, very cheap, okay, you're going to make about $2,240 per month. Now, here's something else I want to show you. So in the logo design business, which I've been in for a little while, now I don't create any of my logos, but I could, okay? Here's what you need to understand. You have two options. Number one, you can design and create the logo yourself and make all the money. Number two, you outsource the work and you pay somebody else to create the logo. You then take that logo and you sell it to the person that is paying you for it in the first place. If you're paying $40, or if they're paying you $40 for the logo, and let's say you're paying $5 for somebody to create it, you're only making $35 per customer. But if you increase that price to $45 or even $50, then you're going to make more money, your margins will be better, and you're going to make more than $2,000 per month. So let me show you this. First option you have is to learn how to create logos. If you don't know how, I recommend you go to a website called udemy.com. Udemy is pretty much a website full of online courses. Currently, as of right now, they have a bunch of courses. They're selling them for $10.99. This is the one, in my opinion, is the best one. I've gone through some of his stuff. Okay, it's put together really well. So go check it out. Daniel Evans over on Udemy. You can see right here, logo design in Adobe Illustrator for beginners and beyond. Adobe Illustrator you do have to pay for. Okay, but it's not gonna cost you that much money. I think it costs, I think it's either $9 or $19 per month, and you do get, I think, a 1 month free trial if you go through Adobe. Now, that's option number one. Option number two, you hire it out. I went to Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com, typed in logo design. Here you can see there's a bunch of people offering different logo designs. I will do professional logo design starting at $100. Obviously that doesn't work for what we're trying to do. I will do a modern business logo design starting at $15. Cool. Maybe that's one we want to do, but that means we're going to have to bump up our sales price from $40 to maybe $50 or $55, or you negotiate with this person. It's really up to you. Okay, I'll do complete logo design branding for your business. Okay, starting at $85. You can resell some of these services. Okay, I will do 3 unique professional and modern logo designs starting at $20. Here is the key to making this business work. One of the things I did when I first started out, years ago, over 10 years ago, I was doing freelance writing. And one of the things I offered was unlimited revisions. Now, that is something you will need to provide when you're trying to sell a service on Instagram, like creating logos or creating content. You need to offer revisions. Sometimes it's 1 revision, 2 revisions, 5 revisions, or if you're charging enough, you're charging $100, $200, or $1,000 for a logo, I would highly recommend you have unlimited revisions. This means if you send somebody your design, send some business like Seattle, that Anderson carpet cleaning company, if I sent them my design, my idea, and they didn't like it, they're not responsible for paying that money. Or if they already paid it, they are not on the hook for that design for the money that they paid. They will ask for a revision, change of colors, change of the font in the text. Maybe they want some additional wording, additional design features in that logo. I can do that. And that's part of that contract is, okay, you have unlimited revisions. I want you to be 100% satisfied with my work. And by offering that, the best part about this is it increases the amount of people that will actually pay for your services. Number one, because now you're guaranteeing that they are happy with the logo that you create. Now, this is only one option. Okay, one option. You create logos. You can create designs for t-shirts. You can create different stuff for merchandise, like a cell phone cover. You can create content for their Instagram account. You can create videos for their Instagram account. You can create stuff for their Facebook page. You can do link building on their website or for their website. You can create videos over on Instagram. You can create or help them grow their Instagram profile, Instagram followers, by getting them more people to follow them. How do you do that? Well, that's for a different video. But that is the purpose of this video, is to show you this is just one option to get somebody to pay you for a service. And like I said, it's only $40. Okay, so if I came here, okay, and I just typed in Seattle carpet, let's go back to it. Seattle carpet cleaning. Let's do carpet cleaning. Okay, let's click on this one. De Burns and Sons. Okay, here we go. They have 164 followers, 500 posts, 2 hours ago, a day ago, 2 days ago. So right here, my guess is they're in Bellevue, Seattle area, Bellevue. Okay, cool. Let's click on their website right here. Let's just see kind of what it looks like, but it looks like they have content. They're putting out content. Okay, not getting a lot of likes. They're probably going after the wrong, well, I know they're going after the wrong hashtags, because I don't know how many people are going to look at this hashtag right here. 468 posts, they're probably all theirs. Okay, my guess is I'm probably 99% right. This is going to be all their posts. Yeah. Okay, so if we go look at their website, D.A. Burns, keeping up appearance, trusted since 1935. Now, D.A. Burns, is this their logo? I have no clue. Okay, it looks like this is their logo. Their website, it's a little bit off. It needs to move their logo a little bit. But if that's their logo, don't you think they could change it? Don't you think we could make it better? Yes, we could. And $40 for a logo, this logo right here would probably cost me less than $5 and take me probably 3 to 5 minutes to do this exact same logo. Okay, it wouldn't take long. So just understand, you can create logos and that are going to look a lot better. Number one. Number two, they're going to be happy with your work. Number three, they might do some word of mouth marketing for you. Tell their friends, tell their associates, tell the other businesses that they're, the owners might own. So you might have more work than just this one. So the last thing I just want to say, when it comes to making money on Instagram, there's a lot of different options. The reason why I recommend this one thing, offering a service to people, number one, because everybody needs something. You just have to figure out and determine what they need and at what price, what cost they're willing to pay. $40 for a logo, in my opinion, is a very, very inexpensive cost for a logo. Most logos you can pay $100, $250, $1,000 or up, depending on the amount of work and how intricate the logo actually is. So just keep in mind, $40 for a logo does not mean it's a professional logo. Like, it's just the best logo in the world. It's not. $40 is a very inexpensive price, something that most people would be glad to pay because it makes them look more professional. It makes people think that they can charge more for their service or product, which is key in business. So if you have any questions on how to make money with Instagram without having any followers, let me know down in the comment section below. And also, I'll put a link down in the description box below. And if you want to go check out my other video on how to make money with Instagram, go check it out. I'll put that down in the description box below. But like I said, if you enjoyed today's video, hit that thumbs up button. Share this video with your friends and family over on Facebook. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys on the next one.